Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EVK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, this one is a very interesting chart. Now, Thursday was just absolutely craziness, and then this morning, the price was actually looking very solid. Had a little bit of a gap up, started to work its way upwards right there, but you can see ultimately gave back the gains, but not all the gains, not the gains that ultimately matter. And what do I mean by that? Well, this will mean a little bit more to if you watched the previous video, but that level right there at 255 is a very, very critical level. You can see that's where the low was there. That's where the low was there before the bounce this morning. And now you can see the price is approaching it. So the big question that everybody and their brother's uncle is watching and wondering next week is going to be, is the price going to be able to hold above $2.55? Or is this just going to be the beginning of almost the end, where if the price breaks down below that level, it just starts to drift lower and lower and then kind of, drifts back into oblivion? You got to give respect where respect is due. So far, the bears are 0 for 2, right? The bears try to press down, failed. The bears try to press down, failed. It's like I said, it's looking like they're going to give it another go. So are the bears going to fail again, or are they going to finally succeed? So that'll definitely be, if you haven't connected the dots, 255 going to be that level that many eyeballs will be watching next week, and rightfully so, because it does have quite a bit of history on the chart. Now, in the event it does hold and produces another bounce, where are some of these areas of resistance at? Well, the area of resistance that I think is the best way to just kind of monitor all this is with this trend line right here. Meaning, just keep an eye on that. And, while no such thing is guaranteed, if the price could work its way up here and maybe get a break of that trend line, perhaps that break there could start to kind of change the tune and maybe get the momentum back in the bulls' favor. But as of right now, things are looking very, very shaky. But let's see if the price can hold up above that 255 mark. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.